People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. I'm Maliha, an educationist, therapist, and an influencer changing lives for millions of people all around, everywhere. So, how do you make people feel valued? Most significantly, through appreciating their presence, making them feel that their existence matter, making them feel that their contribution matters, make them feel heard, ask them questions, ask them help, make them aware of their strengths. The best way to appreciate someone's presence is calling them out by their names. While interacting with people, pay attention to them. Be a good listener. Simply listen to show you are present. And it should not be listening for words, it should be listening for meaning. While listening, look at them. And just don't look at them, see them. See them for who they are. And what are they trying to convey? You must receive what they say. That is the only way. Then they'll feel heard and they'll feel significant. While listening, it's better to pay attention to each of their gestures, not only the words, but the non-verbal gestures, their body language, how they talk, how they speak, their eyes. As eyes are the windows to the soul, it tells everything. Most of the things that cannot be said in the words, it can be expressed through your expressions. As we all know that actions, they speak louder than words, so give them time and always keep your promises. Share stuff with them. For example, your thoughts, your desires, your dreams, even food, and also respect their feelings, their values, their choices. People feel important when they are included. They feel good and valued when you take interest in the things that is important for them. One more important thing. Honest opinion and honest feedback is the best gift that you can give to someone who lacks discernment, who cannot decide, who cannot make a decision. नेक नियति से दिया हुआ मशवरा इससे बढ़कर कोई गिफ्ट नहीं होता. Everybody is struggling. We all are fighting our battles. So be compassionate, value humans, be in touch, ask them how they are doing. Simply asking, just checking how you're doing is the simplest and purest way of showing that you care. Valuing people is an art, and trust me, most of us don't know how to do it. Making a difference in someone's life, even one person's life, is a great achievement as a great human being. And that is what today's message is all about. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you get some insight about how to make people feel valued and how to make them feel that they're important. See you next time, inshallah. Have a beautiful day. Allah Hafiz.